Alright y'all, so we are at Sephora, and I know I don't match, but I just came here to drop my MacBook off. And I just put on like some Fenty powder foundation. Well, it's like a creamy that I love so much. So this is it. And the shade, can you guys see the shade? 445. And I just got some more contour because the one that I have doesn't work good, and I'm trying out this new finishing spray. But right now I wanted to try this lip liner, so try this out, and I'm going to pair it with this little pink, whatever that is. So yeah, let's do it. I think I needed like a shade darker though. Alright guys, so I went and got a shade darker, and I believe this is like it's called Dark Berry or something like that, I don't know. Dark Horse. And if you guys can see it, I did it like on the top, which I think looks a lot better than the regular brown at the bottom. See? So I'm going to do the bottom, and then I'm going to add the pink, and I'll be back. Love it. And let's do the pink. Oh my god, I love this. Okay. I'm gonna add a gloss, which is some cheap stuff that I got from the beauty supply store. But I am on an $80 budget. So I already got more than what I was supposed to. What do you guys think? Maybe I should have went like a lighter pink. I think this one is more like a rose pink. And you know I'm dancing, so I think maybe a lighter pink would be like perfect, but it's okay. I went and I got a lighter pink for the lips, and I think it looks perfect. What you guys think? And I added like a little bit more brown there, but I think the light pinks look a lot better. Like I said, y'all, I do not match. I'm just here because I went to the Apple store. So what do you think about the lips? I love it though. I had to stop at Starbucks and get this little caramel frap thing that they have. Pretty little body dancing like and you are unforgettable. I need to get you alone. Peace.